To interact with your automower, hit the stop button and wait to put in your 4-digit PIN. It is important to wait to be prompted and to give the buttons a short, sharp push. Once you have done this, the automower is disarmed and you are able to switch the automower off by the on-off button to the right of the screen. Changing of the automower blades is a very quick and straightforward task and should be done roughly every 1 to 2 months. The only tool required is a large flathead or Phillips screwdriver, and you do not have to remove the silver skid plate to carry out this task. Simply turn the silver skid plate until the holes meet up with the screws. Remove the screw and blade from the automower and replace with new. It's important to replace the screw due to the corrosion. It's possible that the screw could round and then not allow you to remove the screw at all. So it's important to replace these each time. Once you have finished carrying out the maintenance on your automower, it is important to restart the automower in the correct manner. Once the automower has been switched back on, enter your 4-digit PIN code when prompted, and then you need to give the mower a command. It's important to not just shut the hatch. If you press the start button and resume the schedule, or you can press the park button to send the mower back to its charging station, depending on what you would like the automower to do. The wall hanger is a nifty space-saving tool to store your mower off the floor and away from potential dangers.